People always wonder how I do it on the road. Got my lemon for my lemon juice. Got my, of course, safety, health and safe, making sure that I keep my areas cleaned. And what I'm doing now is just making my morning smoothie with my magic bullet. So I got my Vega protein, oat milk, got that in already. Now I'm ready to throw an avocado in there for my essential oils. Yeah, the best way, y'all be surprised, don't sleep on these avocados and these smoothies, because the avocado in the smoothie is the secret. You know, a lot of time you make these smoothies, they're ultra sweet. Throw that avocado in there, it's a wrap. So that way I'm getting avocado as a superfruit. I'm getting that handled. Getting everything I need. Then of course, it's gonna show out while I'm doing the video. But I like people to know that, I tell them all the time, I'm a real person. I got the same struggles. Oops. Yeah, it hurt me talking. That hit the ground. They can keep that part. I got enough to be healthy. Of course, that's a Haas avocado. So, you gotta stay clean with what you do and how you do it. There's no excuse not to be healthy. I tell people any age you can do it. You just have to stay focused and consistent. And the key is the consistency. It's just like in business. You gotta stay consistent, man. People like, I don't know how she do it. It's all part of my 75 hard challenge. And you gotta stay on it. Nothing is easy in life. And how you do one thing is the way your ass do everything. Oh, I need some ice. Hold on. Yep. Keep it life. Stay healthy. Let me tell y'all something. There was a time in my life I was shit. I don't know what, like really low body fat. I used to work out 3 times a day. And the reason I did it, I had some things I was dealing with in my life, and one thing I have learned, when life hits you, you hit back harder. You work on you, you learn the lessons, and realize what it is. You know? Got my little bullet, because at home, of course, I have a Vitamix. So, get this started. Yep. Got this. This. One thing I forgot, I just realized I'm getting ready to have that. My peanut butter. My favorite ingredient. How could I forget? The peanut butter. Cannot forget the peanut butter. Peanut butter makes the world go round. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anybody that know about life, y'all know the struggle. Even when you look like you ain't losing nothing, keep working at it. Adjust your diet. Because I think the hardest thing in health and wealth is consistency. If you can stay consistent, you got this. But most people can't stay consistent. Alright, there we go. That's it. How long did it take me to make a different choice? No time. A little bullet cost me about 45 bucks. I think I bought that at because I had another blender. I bought that at actually Publix, my favorite place in the world. Everything comes back to how the choices you make in your life. I'm on the road traveling for a couple of weeks straight now, and still no excuse for me not to be healthy and stay healthy. Period. Now all I gotta do is heat up my water for my lemon. Take that first, put everything away. Stay nice and clean and organized in everything I do. Health is wealth, y'all. Be blessed. Headed to the treadmill.